Hey Ring neighbors, today we're talking about Alarm Cellular Backup for your Ring Alarm and 24/7 backup internet for your Ring Alarm Pro. First, let's explain the differences between the two. Your Ring Alarm usually communicates with you and the Ring Monitoring Center through the internet. When your base station loses its internet connection, a cellular backup system kicks in that allows your Ring Alarm to continue to monitor your home or business and send alarm signals. Ring Alarm and Ring Alarm Pro both come with Alarm Cellular Backup when you subscribe to a Ring Home Standard or Ring Home Premium plan. Now let me explain 24/7 Backup Internet, a feature exclusive to the Ring Alarm Pro device. 24/7 Backup Internet provides an internet connection to Wi-Fi enabled devices during an internet power outage. It works like a router for your devices and includes 3 gigs of data per month, which you can use to browse the web, video chat, and stream content on laptops, tablets, smartphones, and other devices. 24/7 Backup Internet requires a power source either through a traditional outlet or in case of a power outage through one of 4 power packs. With Ring Alarm, Alarm Cellular Backup kicks in when the device is not plugged in and is relying on its internal battery for power. With Ring Alarm Pro, Cellular Backup kicks in if 24/7 Backup Internet runs out of data. You need a Ring Home Premium subscription for 24/7 Backup Internet. We've included more details on the Ring Home plans in the video description below. If your Ring Alarm gets stuck on Alarm Cellular Backup after your internet is restored, here's how to fix it. First, let's make sure your power is back on and your Ring base station is connected. The power or lightning bolt symbol will be green on the back of the base station if connected to power, and amber if on battery backup. Next, confirm that you have a working internet connection. To do so, use your computer or phone to visit ring.com on your Wi-Fi with cellular data turned off. Now, reboot your base station by quickly pressing and releasing the pinhole reset with a paperclip. Do not press and hold the reset button down for longer than a second to avoid a factory reset. It might take a few minutes for the alarm base station to reboot, so please be patient. If the reboot fails, you can complete a manual setup via the Ring app or ring.com. If your Alarm Pro base station gets stuck on 24/7 backup, here are a few troubleshooting steps. First, ensure that the activity lights under the Ethernet port are flashing. If not, plug a new Ethernet cable into the Alarm Pro base station and your router/modem. If the lights still do not appear, plug the new Ethernet cable into the other port. If that fails, reboot your network devices by disconnecting them from power for at least 10 seconds. It could take up to 10 minutes for your modem or router to power back up. If you use Eero as your router, press and release the pinhole reset button on the back of the Alarm Pro base station. Both the power and network LED lights will cycle from red and orange to green when the Alarm Pro base station reconnects. The Eero LED lights on the top will flash white, then turn solid when it reconnects. Want more information? Check out our Help Center and Ring community on ring.com. With Ring Alarm, you stay connected and protected.